guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little haul for you guys. So this is the neon collection from Double Dip, perfect for summer, and I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I will have swatches, but I'm going to actually just go ahead and do it on my nails because I think that will be kind of fun, and then I will show you them on the swatch sticks after, but I figured why not? So first off, we have Go Getter. Here, I'll open them all up so you guys can see it. So this is Go Getter. Bring it in. Which is this super bright neon green. That's absolutely going on my nails. And I already took the cap off this one. This is 90s baby because when I saw it, I just had to use it. Right? I know. Next one is Lilith. And this is a purple. Look at that purple. How pretty is that? There is a clear base. I have one open, so I'm not going to open this. And I already have Enchanted, which is this kind of fine powder. This isn't, I don't think this is the one. I think this, yeah. So I already have one open, so I'm not going to open that. Next up is Electric Blue. And I feel like neon blues are so hard to do, but this looks beautiful. And then Atomic Orange. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to take my base. Now for me, I always state this in all of my videos, I cap it after each nail, so this does not harden. So when I go in to do each nail, I will place the cap on before I start dipping. Okay, you wanna make sure this is nice and even. Screw the cap on. I like to give it a second, tap it off. I don't have my orange wood stick next to me, so I'm just going to take this bad boy, and I like to go around the cuticle area just to make sure that everything is super smooth and how I want it. And we will let that dry. All right, next up, we're gonna take that Go Getter, which is that green color. Oh, that nail was shaking. And I'm doing this over my natural nails. I have a little bit of gel still on my nails, but hardly any. Whoops. Oh, this green, holy moly. All right, next up we're gonna take a Lilith, which is this purple, and apply it on the middle finger. And keep in mind, I've only done one coat on all of these. Like, do you see how pigmented these are? I don't necessarily know if I would do these with the gel method, because they may be too pigmented, and if your dip powders are too pigmented, then the gel can't cure. This one came out real nice. And so you will be left with essentially a uncured tacky thing of gel under your nail. And then you'll be able to have divots in it, and it's just not good, okay? I'm gonna take the blue, which is that electric blue. These are so vibrant. Yeah, definitely don't do the gel method with these. All right, last one, the pink, which is 90s baby. Can we talk about how vibrant these are? It's crazy. All right, I did a second coat. Now I'm taking the activator, which is step 3, and applying it all over these bad boys. I am so generous with this activator. Do not be afraid to use it. Make sure you get in the cuticle area, because if you miss that and it's not hardened and you go to file, it'll be a mess, okay? So again, super generous on all of the nails. And yes, my nails pretty much stain every time I use a highly pigmented color. Okay, gonna give that a second and then I'm gonna buff them, okay? So I prefer to use a gel top coat no matter what, as just personal preference. So I did go ahead and buff them, and now I'm going to apply the top coat. Again, my nails like to grab onto, or I should say my skin likes to grab onto literally every piece of like powder. So what I find in the shower, it just like literally all comes off. So I'm not too worried if I have like a couple pieces stuck to my skin a little bit. Okay, give that a second just to level out. So I like to flash cure my thumb, because I find that when I let it sit and then I go to the other ones, obviously the gel top coat will run. And depending on how runny my top coat is, it may, like I may flash cure them in between. And I'm just making a mess. I might just have to flash cure this one. This purple is so vibrant. And I still state that you should not do these colors with the gel method, because holy moly, they are pigmented. I did end up doing 2 layers. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. That way, when I go in and buff, or if I have like a little ledge that I need to file, that gives me more product on my nail to let me even it out, essentially. Okay, gonna cure these guys. All right, here are these fun, bright colors. And don't forget, I do have a discount code with Double Dip. I will make sure to link it below, along with this neon collection. I love it so, so much. And how fun are these colors? I mean, they are neon. Like, I can turn it down and it still practically glows. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.